Hey, it's Mrs. Cannikin's back, and today we're going to look at Google Vids and how to change color on all of your slides. So Google Vids has a great template gallery, and if you use a template gallery, one of the best ways to really make it your own is to pick colors that you like. So if I just come in here and click on the background, you can see up here I could click on the paint bucket, and if I choose a different color, let's go to yellow, you can see that it changes on the first slide, but the orange is remained on the rest of the slide. So I'm going to undo that and show us how to change that for all the slides. There again, I've got my background tool. I'm going to click on fill color. This time, I'm going to click on the little edit pencil beside default styles. And now if I want to change the orange, I can come up here and let's say I want to change that to something blue like this. This is going to be the color that I'll get. I press OK. Now, if you look at the thumbnails across the bottom, it has been applied to all of the slides. And so that's how we can change the background pieces. Now, let's imagine that I just have a single piece. Let's say I've got this purple, and I want to change the color over here. So again, if this is the single item that I've selected, if I choose something down here, you can see it just changes on that single slide. If I want to change it on all of them, I can click on that item. If I come to the color palette, you'll notice that on the right-hand side, it pops open this window for changing my styles. And so if I come to the purple that I want to change and I click on the pencil again to edit, I can pick a different color and I press OK. Now it will apply to all of the green in the whole presentation. So that saves a lot of time if you change the style and apply it to all of your items in your Google Vid.